Right, so we're going to get the butter in. So this is the third step. I'm just going to make sure I don't waste my cling film. Remember, I used a little bit more. Can you see how wet that's become?
Yeah.
Have a feel of it. Yeah. So it's actually quite wet. So what I'm going to do is just make a bowl. Then with a knife, cut down. I'm going about halfway. Then this is where we start creating these ears, like this, and we need the centre here.
Big enough to hold the water.
Big enough to hold the butter. Okay. So, a little bit of flour. Let's get a bit. Roll. Roll. So this, I want half my dough left here, my paste. I want that to be in there. Okay. Each flap, each ear needs to be big enough to fold over.
To cover all the butter.
To cover the butter.
Okay.
Each one needs to cover it. So that's why we cut it like that. Then we're going to just keep folding, keep rolling. And you will see, because we're using strong flour, high gluten, because we put lemon in, which helps strengthen the gluten so it's stretchier, this will just keep stretching back. So just, in turn, just keep going. What happens if it starts sticking? What can we do?
Flour.
A little bit of flour. Just keep, you don't have to overdo it, but remember we can brush off the flour before we fold. Okay, that's starting to look quite good. Quite happy with that. But now, a little bit more flour on there. I'm going to make these a little bit bigger because they need to fold over. And you can see every time I roll that it's just stretching back. Everyone okay so far? Yeah. Leave it there. Start to stick there, look. Everyone okay? So now, just make that a little bit bigger. One last roll. So we're working the dough quite heavily, the paste quite heavily, compared to how we did it with the Danishes and the croissants. So that goes on. I've not put the butter in the fridge to set it, because it's thick enough, it's cool enough. Then this bit, make sure you cover it all up. One, and repeat. Two, sorry. Thank you. Three. It's nice to get a little bit positive.
Like a pillow.
Like a little pillow. Then this one, just make sure it comes over. You can see that gluten really working here. Then what I'm going to do is I'm not going to start rolling it out just yet. I'm just going to start processing that butter again. forcing that shape again. Because now we're going to start going for a long rectangle. But currently, that's as far as I really want to go with it. And that is around, how long is that, 30 centimetres? Yeah, so I'm looking for around 30 centimetres currently. Okay, this measurement's going to come back. When we start rolling it out, we're going to be looking for 60 centimetres and quite thin. So we're looking for around 20 centimetres, which is that, then 60 when we start rolling. So it's long enough that we get that double fold. Everyone okay with that?
Yeah.
I'm going to now cling film, rest for 20 minutes. Go.